everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Megan. Thanks so much for watching. Today I am back with a Norwex haul for you guys. It has been several months since I have done a Norwex unboxing. I do not have any sort of affiliation with Norwex. I just like their stuff and I needed to reorder a couple of things. So I put in an order. I also needed to get a couple of things for our camper, which is like a whole nother story for a whole nother day. But we got a toy hauler camper and we're gonna be using it next weekend. So I needed to get a couple of kind of like staple items to be able to keep in the camper that don't take up a lot of space, and Norwex is like perfect for that. Because our camper does not have a lot of space and it does not have a lot of storage. So let me go ahead and dig into this box and show you everything that I got, because it was quite a big order this time. And when I made this order, one of the things that I wanted was their mildew and mold stain remover, and they actually stopped making it. So I asked the person that I ordered through last if that was the case, because I couldn't find it on the website, and she said it was, but she actually still had a bottle of it in stock. And she said to let her know like what I was gonna order, and that she would just like add it into my total. And so I ended up ordering like a bunch of stuff, I think more than she expected. So she actually kind of roped me into doing a party. So I'm gonna be doing like one of those Facebook parties in January, because December is just too crazy with everything with Seely's health and my surgery coming up later this month. So in January I'm gonna do a party, but she ended up throwing in the mold and mildew stain remover for free, because I don't know why they discontinued it, because it was really, really good. And it like didn't smell like bleach, and I didn't want to die when I used it, because really that is my big complaint with like regular cleaning products, is that the fumes and the odors and that the fragrances just like kill me. And I don't find that to be the case with Norwex. So that's why I keep ordering. Okay, so lots of paper on top. All right, so one of the things that I got like specifically for the camper is this little mini set. It's a mini cleansing paste. Full focus, there you go. It's like a little tiny one. Normally the cleansing pastes are like double the size of this. A mini, gosh, what is this called? Like microfiber cloth. And it also came with a 2-pack of the Spirisponges, which look like this. And I was gonna order these anyways, so they had this as like a little set and it came out to be cheaper, so that's why I ordered it this way. So anyways, these two things are going to be going in the camper, and maybe one of these, I don't know, I use these for cleaning all the time. So I also got, oh, it's called an Enviro Cloth. It's a mini Enviro Cloth, there you go. But it's really just like a fancy microfiber cloth that has backlock technology that keeps the bacteria out. Anyways, so I got one of these added into my order for like $5. Normally they're like $20. Again, it's because I ordered so much stuff. I got another bottle of their bathroom cleaner. I got another pack of their Enviro Sponges, which I use these to clean dishes. So one of these is definitely also gonna go in the camper as well. I got their silicone like toilet wand thing. those are not even English words. I mean, they are, but not good ones. Okay, so the toilet brush is like silicone so that it doesn't hold on to bacteria and yucky stuff. So yeah, I'm excited about this because ours is like kind of falling apart the last time I used it. I got another bottle of Descaler because this stuff is life when you have hard water like we do. And then I also got one of their hand towels. And let me open this because this one, it like hangs, I guess. I'm not sure how it hangs, but it like folds over. There it goes. So you can like fold it over somehow, and like my plan is to hang it like on the handle of the stove so that I can just turn around and like dry my hands really quickly. And this also has that backlock technology, so basically as soon as it dries, it is like bacteria free. It cleans self-cleaning-ish, but obviously it should be washed as well. So yeah, that as well as a bottle of the mold and mildew stain remover that you can no longer get because it's discontinued, is everything that I got from Norwex this time. So please leave down below your favorite Norwex products in the comments. I would love to know if there are like anything else from them that I should try out, because I really do like their products. Again, I am not affiliated with them in any way. I am not a consultant. I don't have an affiliate link. I just like their stuff. And please give this video a big thumbs up if you like this kind of content, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!